Yes, sir. We just landed here in Moriarty, New Mexico. It's a little chilly, but we are rolling out. We are excited. This place is incredible. It's a little desolate here, but the people are second to none. We've been here last year. This is the second year here, so always good energy here in Moriarty. I'm really looking forward to it. Let's go weld with the boys and girls here in New Mexico.
My big thing is I try to teach the kids about work ethic. If you are going into electrical, it doesn't matter if you're going to plumbing, it doesn't matter what you're going into, you have to have the work ethic to get going, be a self-starter. And that's what I try to instill here, is getting kids to understand that you have to do this on your own. For so long, everyone thought of trades as, oh, it's all for guys. I don't think it is. I'm seeing more and more girls come into the trades right now, and I think that's a huge thing we need to be looking at, is the ladies in the trades in general. I mean, a lot of the highly skilled stuff, I see the ladies going into it, and I see the ladies kicking the boys' butts, quite honestly. Oh, it's an ego boost for those girls directly, especially if they've never had success doing something and they come in and they've got success in the trade that they're beating the boys' butts. It's a huge boost for them. The money that can be made and the careers and the lifestyles that can be found for people in the trades are better now than they've ever been. Opportunities out there are just fantastic. Kids need to understand it's not all about the college degree. There's money in college, yes, but there's money in the trades. Somebody who wants to work and earn that money, they can go wherever they want.
Blue Collar Tour 2024! If it wasn't for these guys, we wouldn't be here, okay? And first off, Mr. Andes, I want to say thank you for allowing us to be in your school and giving this opportunity to us to talk to your students. And thank you guys for bringing the students around so we can spend some time with them. So everybody, let's give them a round of applause! Mr. Andes here is leading the generation. He's pushing you guys forward. He's an inspiration to you. Make sure you listen to what he says. Okay, he's ultimately working to help you guys to better your future. This country faces a national security threat. We have a huge issue in this country. Blue-collar trades are dying. So we need you to be inspired. Find a trade, build this country. We need carpenters to build the houses, plumbers to supply water. We need electricians to put electricity in the houses to build this great grid. And ultimately, we need welders to glue together this great nation. So let's give it up for the welders! You guys are the future. You guys are the souls and the hearts of this town, this city, this state, and this great country.
All right, check it out, you guys here in Moriarty, New Mexico. You guys threw down here in Moriarty. Awesome energy, love this place. I'm really looking forward to coming back next year. As for that, we're fixing to roll this bandwagon up. We are going to Dumas, Texas. So if you're in Dumas, we will see you tomorrow. Building America, one little piece at a time. Blue Collar Tour 2024, let's get it rolling.
Let's build America!